thinking about, if you're going to like think of this as being a recording for somebody that's going to start their day and they're going to go to work. And I'm thinking, what if this meditation just got them prepared and prepared their mind to be really about compassionate in their business, about being mindful in their marketing, and having some intent with a positive outcome that's going to make the world a better place. And they can start their day, and it's like a 5-minute tape, but they're meditating with like, they're thinking meditation's about like performance. So it's kind of that, but then it's introducing to the idea that, well, that's about compassion. Think about the world around you. Think about what impacts do you want to have and create a deeper purpose. That's what really connects people to what their business is. And that's what I'm shifting towards in helping branding and marketing, is really kind of getting a deeper meaning for people's business, so they have more fulfillment in the businesses that they're running, you know? So like the branding exercise that I did with you, I'm doing that in a much more intense level, and I'm almost doing that exclusively now.
Oh, okay. We're starting out by just simply talking about the purpose of this. And a big part of it is fulfillment. You want to be successful. You want to have money to pay for your bills and take care of your family, everything. But you want to do something that is giving value and allows you to sleep at night and feeling your heart expand because you know you're doing something good. So, you know, there's Scott Wages about mindful marketing. You talk about conscious commerce. I think it starts with your consciousness. You know, a lot of times we're so busy, we rush out, we got to do this, and this. If we just take the time to meditate. Now, unfortunately, most people make the mistake. They say, oh, meditate means just quieting your mind. As soon as you try to quiet your mind, give it 5-10 seconds, your mind jumps all over the place. And then before you know it, you go, oh yeah, I got to do this, got to do this. And before you know it, guess what happens? You're now driven to what you have to do, not something you want to do. And that wanting to do, if you go a little deeper, is what is your purpose and what makes you happy, what makes you feel fulfilled. So the purpose of this short meditation is as simple as this. One, we're going to do a cleansing. When I say cleansing, it's as simple as trying to clear out what's not supposed to be there. You know, the worries, the cares, you know, the things that you're trying to do, get it out of your mind so you start with clarity. See, the mistake most people make is they want clarity and they start putting stuff in, when in reality, what you call clarity is when you take everything out so you can see things clearly. That's why it's called clarity. Now, from there, when you have clarity, then you connect it with your heart to what it is that you want to offer people. Then you'll be given a certain direction on how to do it, at the same time being fulfilled as you do it. So we're going to close our eyes. Well, I'll keep my mind open so I can direct you. Okay. Number one, put your tongue on the roof of your mouth. This increases the energy flow and connection. Just close your eyes. And you're just going to gently inhale and gently exhale. Okay. Inhale again. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Imagine you're walking out into a field, and at a distance, you see a waterfall. A beautiful waterfall that's attracting you. So you walk towards that waterfall, but instead of made of water, it's made of liquid light. Brilliant liquid light. So as you go underneath it, you feel the warmth on your body. Then you feel this liquid light going to your top of your head, and it literally enters your brain. And what it does, it breaks up any type of grayish clouds, thoughts, emotions, worries, cares, and concerns, and literally breaks it up and pushes it down. The liquid light is cleansing your brain, your eyes, the back of your head, your nose, your throat, and you feel like anything that you want to express to people you've been holding back in your throat area is now being dissolved and turned into brilliant light. So as the brilliant light goes down to your crown, your face, your neck, your throat, it moves down to your chest, filling your heart and your lungs. And as it goes in there, it breaks up any type of worry, any type of grief, anger, negativity, either self-generated or somebody projected to you. It's just literally being transformed into light by this liquid light. It's turning that grayish cloud into light. And as it goes down to your midsection, your stomach, your liver, your spleen, are equally being purified by this liquid light. It's going down to your abdominal area, your intestines, gallbladder, kidneys. Your entire spine is filled with this liquid light, literally dissolving and transforming any grayish clouds into brilliant light. That brilliant light goes down to your hips, through reproductive organs, and at the same time, your shoulders and your arms are filled with this liquid light, just flushing out and transforming any grayish cloud and blockages into light. Goes down your thighs, your knees, down to your feet. You take a gentle breath to inhale that liquid light deep into your system, and just gently exhale out of your feet. Any impurities are now flushed down deep, deep into the earth to be neutralized. One more time, take a deep breath, inhale that light to every pore of your body, into every cell in your body, hold it for a few seconds to just shake and loosen up any unwanted energies. And be aware of your feet, and exhale all the impurities out. Good. Now just be still. And I want you to gently put your awareness on the center of your chest, on your sternum. This is your heart center. Be aware of the heart center. First, imagine someone you love very dearly in your heart. Look at their face. Smile at them. Imagine them smiling back at you. Then I want you to recall a time when you want to give them a gift. And once you have that gift and you give it to them, you're waiting for that magic moment when they open their eyes, they look at that gift, and you want to capture that feeling of the joy and the ecstatic feeling they have. And the most important part is, how do you feel? You feel so fulfilled. You go, oh, I'm so glad I gave it to him or to her. And that magic moment of how it felt to be so gratifying to give someone what they want, what they need. And it's not as much the gift, but the feeling of elation that you have for making someone happy. Now, I want you to feel that feeling. Remember it. It's now part of you. Now, I want you to look at your day, and I want you to feel that feeling of satisfaction and ecstasy, literally, of how it feels to serve someone and make them happy. That will be your guiding force the entire day in everything you do. So in front of you, I want you to imagine your day. From the minute we finish this meditation, just have key events that you're going to imagine in front of you. What are you going to do? And in each one, ask yourself a simple question. Am I feeling that happiness and joy and that satisfaction? If not, how could I make it better? And the next event, the next endeavor, the next project, just do an overview. When this project is completed, do I feel fulfilled with it? Or am I just doing it just for the sake of making money or just getting it over with? Am I fulfilled? If not, how can I make it better? And the next project. We don't have to go into the details. You're just doing an overview of how those projects are. Are you fulfilled? Is there something you can do so that by the time you're done, you feel like you can pat yourself in the back and say, look, I give value, I make someone happy, I'm doing what I'm here to do. And the next one. Good. Set this pattern in your system. This is yours. This is embedded into your consciousness. And the entire day, they will stay with you. And you'll come home, you'll finish your work, feeling fulfilled and happy, and can't wait to do this again the next day. So be it, and so it is. Now slowly open your eyes, feeling happy and joyful, knowing this is you. All right?
Nice. That's good. So that's a great little meditation for everybody to start their working day. You know, we're talking about like setting the intention for your day for creative thinking or building your business or whatever. That's awesome.
Thank you, Scott. Appreciate it.
Yeah, likewise. Thanks, man. You gotta give me the
Thank you.
give me the shotgun.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, see you, buddy.
Take care.
Goodbye.
Hello to Jill.
I will.
Okay. Bye-bye.